Hi guys, welcome back to another video of Malyadri Talentz. So today I'm gonna tell you how to download Python. So many members want to download Python in their computer, laptop or Windows. So I'm just gonna tell how to download Python in your laptop, Windows and computer. So let's get started. First you need to go to Python, or if you don't know how to just type it, I'll just paste this web URL in the description. Next you'll get this page when you go to over here. Then you need to scroll down, you need to go to downloads, and over here you'll get downloads. Then again type on downloads. Over here you can click on download Python 3.9.0, and next thing, you downloaded it. And after doing that, I'll just tell you what are the steps we need to do. Until then it takes time, so let's use the power of editing. Guys, it didn't take much time, so now we are back. You need to see, oh yeah man, money is free.